Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying English grammar chapter number 5 adjectives. We were discussing the exercise. Today we continue. So, all students, open page number 35 English grammar book. Page number 35. Question number E. E number question. Arrange the adjectives in brackets in the correct order to fill in the blanks. The first one is done for you as an example. Now we have to fill in the blanks, the adjectives which are in the brackets. In the brackets there are not only 1, 2, 3 adjectives, and we have to put them in correct order. Which adjective will be first, which second, which third, which come first, which will come second, and which will come third. So one rule is that if you have to use more than one adjectives, then which adjective will come first, which second, which third, it has a rule. Rule is that first of all we write the size, adjective of size. Then we write adjective of general description, then age, then shape, then color, then origin, and at last material. Adjectives which describe size, such as big, small, tall, large, short, long, dwarf, these are adjective size. General description, general description means good, bad, fine, sharp, blunt, these are general description. Adjective of age, age will be young, old, modern, ancient, etc. Shape, shape will be rectangular, round, oval, spherical, etc. Color, color will be red, black, white, blue, etc. Origin, origin means nationality, origin, where born, Indian, Nepali, Chinese, Russian, these are origins. Material, materials, materials, plastic, steel, iron, tin, silk, cotton, wool. So this way we will fill in the blanks. First number, first is done. The story is about an old ugly. In bracket is old ugly, but we here answer is ugly old. It means that ugly is general description, and then old is age. So first comes general description, then comes age. So answer is ugly old. Still, ugly old witch. She lived in a dash castle. Answer I am speaking. She lived in a cold, dark castle. In the middle of a large black forest. Every day she went out to look for little lost children. When she found them, she took them back to her big frightening castle and made them work. they had to wash the which, here three word, the which best China tea, best China tea set, best China tea set, without breaking a single. China here not means China country. China white clay soil, white clay with couplets are made. Best China tea set without breaking a single plate. Then they had to iron all her long black cloaks. Cloaks means clothes. Long black cloaks. They also had to scrub the long dirty wooden floors. Long dirty wooden floors until they shone. One day she found two brothers, Jack and Jill. They were very different. Jack was a tall, dark boy, but Jill was a short, fair child. The witch took the boys back to her castle and made them work. But the boys were terrible. They broke every precious china plate the witch had. They burnt all her clothes and they spread dirty cold water all over the floor. The witch was so angry that she turned them out of the castle. F number, fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjective. Possessive adjective we know are my, your, his, her, its, their, our. Passive adjectives means which denotes possession, ownership. Example, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. These words we have to fill. Husband, wife, talking, husband. Please hurry. It's not polite to keep our hosts waiting. Wife, just a minute. I'm putting on my necklace. Husband, what's that on your dress? Wife, oh dear, it's a stain. I must change into another dress. Husband, talking to his friend on phone, I'm sorry, John. Mary is changing her dress. Hurry up, Mary. John and Lisa are coming to fetch us in their car. Wife, remind John to bring his camera along. Also, we can write here our camera. Our camera. G number. Fill in each blank with the correct adjective from the box. From the box we have to fill the correct adjective. First number. The meat is a bit dash. It needs a lot of chewing. Meat is a bit tough. First number, tough. Second, the dash king ruled the country for many years. The powerful king. Third number, our teacher is a dash person. She tells us funny stories. Our teacher is a jovial person. Jovial means funny. Our teacher is a jovial. Comical, lacking comedy, jovial. Our teacher is a jovial person. Fourth number, I had a dash pain in my back. It was not bad enough to go to a doctor. My slight. Fourth number, slight pain means little pain, slight pain. 5. We saw a dash animal that looked like a dinosaur. A strange animal. 6 number. She was dash when her daughter did not return home on time. She was anxious. Anxious means sad, worried. 7. The unit members held their breath as the stuntman performed daring acts. Daring means courageous, brave, daring acts. 8 number. The train service is rather dash today. Irregular. Irregular means not regular. Irregular. So students, chapter 5 adjective finish. That's all for today. Thank you.